This grammar episode is called Run-on Sentences, Let's Fix That. Hey writers! Do you love telling stories and writing awesome sentences? Well, sometimes our sentences get a little too excited and forget to take a break. The cat was black, it looked at its owner, it meowed loudly. This type of sentences are called run-on sentences. A run-on sentence is when we smush two or more sentences together without the right punctuation or words to connect them. And when that happens, it's like a traffic jam in your story. Whoa, that's messy! We need the stop signs and periods. Here's a run-on sentence. I love pizza. It is my favorite food. Yep, that's two different ideas running into each other. That's a run-on. Let's fix it. Here are 3 fun ways to fix a run-on sentence. Fix it number 1. Use a period. Split it into 2 sentences. I love pizza, period. It is my favorite food. Here is fix it number 2. Use a comma plus fanboys. Use a comma and a fanboys word like for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Notice the first letter of each word spells out the word fanboys. Here's the correct sentence. I love pizza, comma, and it is my favorite food. Fix it number 3. Use a semicolon. A semicolon is another way to connect your 2 ideas closely. Remember, a semicolon should only be used if the topics of the 2 sentences are related or are about the same thing. Here's the correct sentence. I love pizza, semicolon, it is my favorite food. Time for a quick Fix That Run-On challenge. How would you fix this sentence? The sun is shining, we are going to the park. Here are the possible corrections. The sun is shining, period. We are going to the park. The sun is shining, comma, so we are going to the park. The sun is shining, semicolon. We are going to the park. Let's do some more practices. How would you correct these run-on sentences? Remember, you have 3 possible ways to correct them. Some might be more appropriate than others. Have fun! Great job, sentence fixers! Remember, when your sentence is too long and it feels like a word pile-up, stop and think. Does it need a period, a fanboys, or a semicolon? Now my sentences are smooth and awesome. Keep writing, keep smiling, and don't let your sentences run away.